So good evening, everyone. Good evening. We have lots of people over here, right? We have Tanvi, we have Krishna, Priya, we have Bindu, we have Sanket, we have Priya Kalshetty, we have Akshara's sister, Priya. Then we have Devis Karthik. Okay, lots of students are joining us. Very good. That's good to see. Anna. So let's start today's class, right? It is okay. It's still 2 minutes. So let's wait for 2 minutes. Okay, so today's class is the first class of my family, this homeschool. Henna, so what is this class about? This is, I hope all of you can see the heading, which is Vedic maths, right? How many of you know about Vedic maths? Tell me, right? Hi, Kinera. I think I'm mispronouncing your name. Apologies. Okay. So just message, right? What do you mean by Vedic math? Just message. No need to speak, right? Because it will create lots of chaos. Message. Tricks of basics. Okay. Old maths. Okay. Makes calculation easy. Speed calculation. Okay. Basics. So yes, it is basically for speed calculation. It is used for speed calculation, but it is basically the maths that was used. Yes, ancient math, right? Or shortcut tricks. We can say lots of names. Hai. We can have lots of names. Old methods of math, very good. Now tell me, till class 6th and 7th, right? What we have done? Tell me what we have done. I guess when you talk about math, right? Or when you talk about math, till class 6th and 7th, what we have learned? Tell me. Numbers, calculations, yes. So we will go step by step, right? Okay. Story sums. Story sums is basically word problems, right? Okay, story sums. That's nice way. This is the first time I'm hearing this story sums. So it is your word problems, right? So let's not go to that level, right? Because obviously we are catering to everything. Okay, so let's start with our first concept. Now, when we talk about concept, so let's have basic idea of what we have learned till now. So we learned how to calculate, right? We learned how to calculate. So when we talk about calculation, it is what? It is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So addition, subtraction is easy, right? Addition, subtraction is easy. But what about multiplication? Tell me, what about multiplication? It is also easy, but what if I give you bigger numbers? What if I give you decimals? What if I give you fractions? Then what? Right? So then also it is easy. But why students still make mistake? Tell me, why students still make mistake? And even though we can solve it, there's one more thing that we need to keep in mind, which is time. Yes or no? Yes, it will take time, right? So I want to calculate anything faster. And I want to calculate anything faster. How to do it? How to do it? Okay, think about it. So that is right. The answer lies in this Vedic maths, which is basically your speed calculation. Right? We forgot carry system. Okay. Okay. Chalo. Let us see one example. Let us see very basic example, right? Very basic example. So whenever we talk about this Vedic maths, okay. So first question that is why we need to study Vedic math, right? Why it is important. Okay, what is the need? And that's the first thing. भाई पढ़ना ही क्यों है? Right? क्यों पढ़ा रहे हो? है ना? Right? Now I'll tell you why I thought of including Vedic maths as the first topic of this course. The reason is when you talk about any students, right? When you talk about any students of class 8th, 9th, 10th, even 11th and 12th, right? They'll make mistakes, lots of mistakes. Do you know what is the main mistake that they do? Tell me. They might be your brother, your sister, right? So there are two kind of mistakes that anyone do, right? First is a conceptual mistake that they doesn't know the concept, right? That's the first thing. And the second most important thing, right, that they need to keep in their mind is calculation. Yes, very good, right? Calculation mistake. How many of you said, sir, I knew the concept, but I did calculation mistake? Hi, Anna, right? Yes. And this happens in class 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. throughout the 4-5 years, people tends to say, this, sir, I made this silly mistake. I made this. I wrote 4, 2 into 2 is equal to 8 instead of 4, right? People do these kind of mistakes. Okay. So now, why we are studying this? Tell me. Now, what would be the answer? What is why we need to study Vedic maths? So that we try to minimize this calculation mistake. Yes or no? Right? And second is time. Yes, very good. So whenever we talk about maths or whenever we talk about anything that we have to think, we have two things, time as well as accuracy. Yes or no? Time as well as accuracy. So I can say that we need to study Vedic maths to improve our calculations, to do it faster and to be more accurate, right? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
Anna. And second question is, how important calculations are in our real life? Tell me, is it important or no, sir? We can use calculator all the time, right? Whenever we'll have one calculator and we'll calculate. Now, even though we have calculator in phone, we have calculator, but whenever you talk about any exam, right? Calculators might not be there, na? Think about it, right?
Sir,
But
we don't have the calculators every time.
yes, exactly, right? So, see, some people are saying, sir, we have issues with
Cannot
like,
calculate bigger numbers.
yes, okay, right? Okay. So I can say that obviously it is important because we have to do lots of calculations in different type of problems. So if we can do it faster, if we can do it more accurately, that is obviously a good thing. Okay, yes. So let's see, when you talk about numbers, right? So there's one magic number. Okay, there are many magic number, but I personally believe there is one, or not just one, two magic numbers. The first is zero. The first magic number is zero, right? Yes or no? Right? It's very easy to deal with. Add something, subtract something, multiply. Things is going to be easy. Yes or no? Right? Multiply anything to the zero, it is zero. Right? Then obviously one. Obviously one. Multiply anything to one, it will be the same thing. And the third number is nine. The third number is nine. Right? Now, 9 is very significant, right? The importance of 9 is very significant, more than that we realize. For example, how many of you remember the tables? Tell me, how many of you mugged up the tables? Everyone? Everyone mugged up the tables, 9 ones are 9, or any table for the matter of fact, right? And how many of you like were those kind of students like, sir, how to remember table? It is so difficult, right? I keep on forgetting tables. How many of you were like that?
Sir, we have a trick to solve.
Right? But think about
I
it. It is it is
I
it is all about calculate speed. You know, you can solve, you can multiply, but it is all about speed, right? You know, so whatever, wow, okay. And frankly speaking, and I could never remember past 15. Okay, I could never remember past 15. That's it. 15 was my limit, right? After that, I just used to calculate. Okay, right? And frankly speaking, I'm doing well because I was good at calculation. I can calculate in my mind only because of this Vedic maths. Okay, now even when I teach students, right? Even when I teach students, people like, sir, how you calculate this so easily without pen and paper? I'm like, I studied this, right? When I was kid, I studied these tricks. Okay, so let us see, right? The magic of this nine first. Okay, now whenever you talk about nine is a very peculiar number. Why? Because if you talk about the table of 9, now there's one very easy way which I remembered, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And write the same thing in opposite: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Sir,
5.
but you have to do it in speed. It will not work.
Yes. Right, wait, I did something wrong. 5,
So it is
okay.
very simple, sir.
So 9 3 is a 27.
Sir, it's 7.
8, right? It is very easy. Anna, now if you remember, there's one more thing. 9 plus 0 is 9. 8 plus 1 is also 9. 2 plus 7 is also 9. 3 plus 6 is also 9. 4 plus 5 is also 9. 5 plus 4 is also 9. 6 plus 3 is also 9. 7 plus 2 is also 9. This is also 9, this is also 9, right? Now, why I'm asking you this? Why I'm asking you this? Now, think about it. I'll give you one problem, one very simple problem. Okay, one very simple problem. Suppose I gave you 30 rupees, right? See, again, knowing something and applying something in a better and faster way is different, right? I gave you 30 rupees, okay, right? It might seem very easy because you guys are in 6 and 7, but I'm just talking about the approach. Okay, I'm not focusing on the problem over here. I'm just focusing on the approach. And you need to buy pen. Buy pen. The cost of pen is 9 rupees. Cost of the pen is 9 rupees, right? Hannah, right? So what you would do? So 9 in 30 rupees I'm having, and 9 rupees. Sorry, 9 rupees is the cost of one pen. So I can buy how many pen?
So 30 divided by
pens.
Sir, 3 pens, sir.
3 pens.
3 pens.
3 pens.
27 pen.
Sir,
3 pens.
3 pens. 3 rupees will be left, sir.
Sir, and will be left with
Okay, I'm unmuting everyone. I'm muting everyone. Please message. Okay, right? So 3 pen, and we are left with how many rupees? So 3 rupees. Simple, right? Simple. Now, instead of that, what I'll do? Okay, sir, 10 rupees. I understood. Instead of 10, instead of 9, I'll just say 10 rupees. 10 rupees, right? Hannah. So we know that if it is of 10 rupees, then it is very easy to remember, right? It will be 3 pen and 3, and we are left with only 3 rupees, right? Okay, so instead of actually multiplying, I took 10 as a reference. Yes or no? I took 10 as a reference. For example, think about it, right? Let's do some fast and speedy calculations. Okay, this might sound very easy. It will be easy, don't worry. It will be easy at the start, right? But again, since we have lots of time, I'm not hurrying, right? I'll just take very easy and focus on the approach. All of you can calculate. I know all of you can multiply. I hope everyone know multiplication, right? But what I'm trying to teach is how you can multiply faster. Okay, so let's see. The first rule is, if I ask you what is 9 into 8, let's see, multiplication, right? We are focusing on multiplication. If I ask what is 9 into 8, right? You know, everyone knows, sir. If you know table, you can write. If you know table, you can write, which is equal to, tell me. If you know table, you can write now. Tell me, what is this 9 into 8? Still you have to think, right? Still you have to think, okay, kya hoga? 72. Okay, right? Very good. Because it is one digit number. But instead of this, suppose someone of you, or I'm talking about a standard 4 kid, right? I'm standard 4 kid. I don't know table. I keep on forgetting table, right? Then how can I solve it, right? Now think about it. 9 and 8, right? It is closer to which number? It is closest to which number? 10, 10, 100, 20, 10, 20, 30, which number? 10. Very good, Vihan. Very good, Dhruv. Right? It is closest to 10. I'll write 10. So 10. Why I'm writing this? Just figure it out how easy it will be. Right? Now, in order to make 9 to 10, right? In order to make 9 to 10, we have to add what? 1. Hannah, 1. Right? Okay. And in order to make 8 to 10, we will need to add 2. So I'll write like this. 2, 1. Okay, ध्यान दो. 2, 1. In order to make 9, 1, I'll write this one over here and I'll write this one over here. ठीक है? So what is 9? समझ में आ रही है? ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? Tell me. In order to make 9 into 10, we need to add 1. And in order to make this 8 into 9, sorry, 10, we need to add 2. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Right? Even though it is yes. Now, you might be thinking, sir, it is very easy. Why you are doing this, right? I can just write 72. But this is a method, right? It can be used in difficult problems, right? But I'm taking one easy problem as an example. Now, what is 9 minus 2? Tell me, what is 9 minus 2? What is 9 minus 2? Tell me. 7. Yes or no? And what is 8 minus 1? What is 8 minus 1? Easy, right? Guys, message to host. Okay, don't message to co-host, message to host, right? Anna, easy, very good. Very good, everyone. 7. So, can I write this 7? And what is 7 into 10? What is 7 into 10? 70. And what is 1 into 2? 2. So, isn't it 72? Tell me, isn't it 72? Yes or no? Right? Now, you must be thinking, sir, why we are doing this, right? We can just multiply it. No, hai ki nahi? But now, remember the same method. Remember the same method and calculate this. Now, let's see who can calculate this. Calculate this. Tell me. Using same method, right? Now, let us see who can calculate it fastest, right? I'll also calculate, you also calculate, right? I'll calculate by this method and you would multiply, right? Don't use calculator. Okay, don't use calculator, right? So, yes, I'll explain, right? I'll explain. Think about it. Tell me. Now 53 and 51. I'll take one example. 53 and 51, right? 53 and 51. So, right, don't use calculator, right? Think about it. So, if you have to make 53 into 50, what we need to do? Tell me what we need to do. Tell me. Add 3. And if you have to, right? And this, right? This exactly. Okay. So, what is 50? Yes. Okay, very good, very good, very good. What is 53? Anna? Okay, very good, Shreya. Now, think about it. Everyone, think about it. So this 53 is the reference that we'll take is 50. Yes or no? The reference that we'll take is 50. Agree? Tell me, agree? Anna? So, can I say, sir, 51 plus 3 is equal to what? Tell me. 51 plus 3 is equal to what? Tell me, this 51 plus 3 is equal to what? Right, wait, my internet was slow, that's why I just 51 plus 3 is 54. What is 53 plus 1? 54, yes or no? 54, right? 54. Anna, clear. But what is 54 into 50? Is it easy to calculate 54 into 50? Right? Just half it, no? Just half it. If it is 54 into 50, just half it. Right? What is half of 54? Right? It is 27. Yes, 270. And then this 2700. And what is 3 into 1? What is 3 into 1? 3. Anna. So don't you think that this is easy? Right? Okay. 2703. Now, let's take one more example. Now, this will become easy if we do it multiple times, right? It might seem everyone. Okay, I'll take one more example. I'll take lots of examples, right? Okay, don't worry. Let me complete this first. I'll take lots and lots of examples, right? है ना? ठीक है, उसके बाद समझ में आ जाएगा. So let's take one more example, right? So this is example number 1. Example number 1. This is example number 2. Let's third example, right? Third example. Then I'll write the method. Don't worry. Okay, I'll write each and every step. Don't worry. So let us take this number 48 into 47. Now 48 into 47, which is the number that we should take? Yes, Madhav, because think about it. It is above that number or below that number. For example, right, in this case, 9 and 8 was below 9, below 9. But here 53 and 51 is below 50. So above 50, right? So here also we'll take reference as 50. Very good. 50. Now tell me, these two numbers are below 50 or above 50? Right? Yes, very good. So in order to convert this into 50, I should add 2. And in order to convert this into 50, I should add 3. Yes or no? Hi Anna. Right? ठीक है? सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Tanvi, I'm explaining again. Don't worry. I'm explaining again. Right? So 48 minus 3 is equal to what? 48 minus 3 is equal to what? 45. And 47 minus 2 is also 45. So this is 45. Hi Anna. 45. Okay. Now, what is half of 45? What is half of 45? Sir, half of 45 is 22.5, right? But we have this 0 over here. So 220, tell me 225, and 10. Okay? Yes or no? Because 45 into 5 is 225 and 10. And what is 2 into 3? What is 2 into 3? 6. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Yes or no? Right? So what is the answer? Can I say, sir, 2256 is the answer, sir? Yes or no? I'll teach you second method also, but think about it. समझ में आया सबको? Tanvi, you're getting this? 2256. Very good, Tanushree. Very good, Zayan. Right? If we solve lots of problems, it will be easier, right? Now let's take one more example. Let's take one more example. Very good, Jia. Very good. Okay, Anshita, I'll explain again. Don't worry. We'll take one more example, right? So let's take one more example. Question number 4. Question number 3. It was question number 3. Now let's take one easier one. 18 into 17. 18 into 17. What should be the reference number? Tell me, what should be the reference number? Anshita, what should be the reference number? Tell me. 20. Very easy, everyone. 20. So 20. Very good, very good. Now 18 is less than 20. So we have to add what? Sir, we have to add 2 here. And here we have to add 3. Yes or no? Don't worry, Canada. Abhi practice karo. Abhi practice karo. Okay. I'll send this. I'll send this. Now, what is 18 minus 3? What is 18 minus 3? Yes, very good. 15. And see, both will be the same. No? 17 minus 2 is also 15. Right? Anna. So write 15. Now, what is 15 into 20? 15 into 20 is easy, na? 15 into 20 is easy. Right? 15 to 20 is easy. Step by step. I'm explaining this step by step. So it will be 300. Very good. 300. Hai 300. Very good, everyone. Right? Very good. Now, what is 2 into 3? 2 into 3? 6. So see, what is the answer? 306. Yes or no? Hi, Anna. Hi, Anna. Tell me. Now you're getting everyone? Take your time, right? We will solve many problems. Hai right? Problem makes man perfect, right? Practice makes man perfect. Hai So let's see question number 5. So I'll write question number 5 over here. Now, if I'm asking this problem, 98 into 96, what is the number that I'll take as a reference? Tell me, what is the number that I'll take as a reference? 100. Very good. Right? It depends on what number you're taking as reference. Okay, right? 100. Now, in order to make this 98 into 100, right, Akash, it depends on which number you're multiplying. Okay, right? Okay, Akash. So it is 2 here. Okay, yes, it is 2 here. And wait, Vihan, wait, I'll explain. Don't worry, I'll take that also. 92 into 97, I'll take. Don't worry, it is applicable for. Now again, it depends, right? है ना? But यहाँ पे देखो क्या होगा? 98 into 98 minus 4, 94. 96 minus 2, 94. 94. Now 94. Actually, we are multiplying this and this. Okay. Akash, we are multiplying this and this. 94 into 100 is what? 9400. And now, then 2 into 4, 8. So 9408. Clear? सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Very good Tanushree, very good Dhruv. Okay. Now, as someone asked, right? है ना? Very good Anshika, very good Rachna, very good Nishita, very good Kartikeya. है ना? So someone asked this 92 into 97. है ना? 92 into 97. Can I do the same thing? Tell me, can I do the same thing? Right? Everyone, please solve with me. 92 into 97. Sir. Atish, no issues. We will practice more and more problems. I'll give you lots of problems, right? Practice will make perfect. है ना? So, see, it is 8. Why we cannot solve? It is 8, right? 8. And here we will have 3. So, 92 minus 3. Tell me, 92 minus 3. 81. 97 minus 8. Sorry, 89. And 97 minus 8, 89. So, it is what? 89. And 89 into 100 is 8900. And 8 into 3, tell me, what is 8 into 3? Right? Very good. 24. 89, 89, 89, Shreya. 89, no, it is 89. So it is 8924. Clear? So it is applicable. It is applicable. है ना? Okay. Now take any question. Give any question. Right? Right? Give any question. Take any number. Any number. Right? Let's take this. Question number 7. Question number 7. 103 into 106. Tell me. In this, what is the difference? Tell me, what is the difference? What is the difference? Very good. 100 only. Very good. And now we'll take difference as 100 only. Right? 100. Sir, but here the number is more than 100. Yes or no? And now very good. Anshika, wait, Anshika, I'll take that number also. Okay, don't worry. And now, right? Don't worry. And please focus on this, right? Please focus on this. Okay. Zayan, because think about it, huh? It is easier to multiply any number with 100 or 110. It is easier to multiply any number with 100 or 110. 100 now, right? That's why they want things to be easy. So see, it is more. So put 3 over here. Here, right? It is 6 more. है ना? ठीक है, right? So what is 3 plus? Here you have to add. What is 106 plus 3? Here you have to add. 106 plus 3 is 109. And 103 plus 6 is 109. So it is 109. Now what is 109 into, tell me, 109 into 100 is 10900. Now what is 3 into 6? Right? 3 into 6 is 18, sir. 18. Add it. So 10918. Hi Anna, tell me. Got it? Everyone got this? 10918? Yes? Everyone is getting this till this point? Okay? Right? Very good. Very good, everyone. Very good. Right? Very good. Okay. Yes. So can I say, right now, after seven examples, I can conclude 2 things. First, sir, if I'm having any number, now, someone gave this problem, right? Someone gave this problem, or someone said, sir, can we solve much bigger problems also? Yes, we can. But again, I need to calculate faster. My aim is to calculate faster and get the correct answer. Okay. Okay. Yes or no? Right? So let us take one bigger problem. Take one bigger problem, right? Not that big, but yeah. 112 into 108, right? So which number will be easier to take as a reference? Tell me. Again, because Gia, it is more than 100, na Gia? Tell me, Gia, it is more than 100, right? So we'll take 100 as a reference. Now these two numbers are more than 100. Okay, right? We will see mixed kind of problems also, but I don't want to confuse you guys, that's why. So here it is 12 more than 100 and it is 8 more than 100. Yes or no? So what is 12 plus 108? 120, and this is also 120. So 120 and 120 into 100 will become what? 12000. And what is 12 into 8? We know what is 12 into 8. You can calculate 12 into 8 also. And in the same way, we have already calculated 72. 72. Sorry, 50 is not 70. 96 now. My bad. Right? See? 96 now. 96, right? Okay? Anna, right? So add them. What is the answer? Tell me. Add them. What is the answer? Right? Yes, very good. 12096. Clear, everyone? Right? Gia, now you understood why we are adding, why we are subtracting, when we are adding, when we are subtracting. Okay, let's take one bigger number. Okay, let's take one bigger number, right? It is all about practice. It is all about practice. My main aim is to make you guys faster in calculation. Suppose I'm taking this number 511 into 503. What is the reference number? What is the reference number? Tell me, what's the reference number? This is the method of reference. Very good, very good. See how smart you guys are. 500, very good, 500. And this number, both number are more than or less than? More than or less than? Sir, it is more than. So here it is more 11 and it is 3, right? Anna. So 11 plus 503 will become, sir, 500. 500 instead of 100. Can we take? Yes, you can take 110. No issue in that. But again, calculation become a bit difficult. Yeah, na? 514. 514. Okay. Now, see, it is a shortcut of multiplying 514 with 5. Wait, guys, my OneNote got hanged. Okay. So, think about it. If you have to multiply, right? Some people were asking, so why you are doing half when we are multiplying with 5? 5, if something is multiplied by 5, which basically multiply by 10 by 2, na? Yes or no? Hi, Anna. If anything is multiplied by 5, which means it is multiplied by 10 by 2. Hi, Anna. Yes or no? So multiplying by 5, instead of multiplying by 5, I just make it half. Make it half, which is 207, right? And then put how many zeros? 1 0 plus 2 0. 3 zeros over here, right? Clear? Clear, everyone? Right? And what is 11 into 3? 11 into 3 is, so 11 into 3 is 33. 11 into 3 is 33. So 257. Yes, 257. Sorry, 250 and 257. Right? 257. Anna, 257. Then it is 33. So what is the answer? Answer is 257033. This is the correct answer. Got it? Yes, very good, Tanushri. Very good, Dhanvit. Very good, Rachna. सबको समझ में आ रहा है? सबको समझ में आ रहा है अब? हाँ या ना? See, practice, practice, right? Now let's take one more bigger problem. Let's take bigger problem, right? And now we will learn and we will see bigger problem. 989 into 994. 989 into 994. Tell me which number we will take as a reference. Tell me which number we will take as a reference. Tell me which number. Reference में कौन सा number लेंगे? Yes, very good, very good. See how smart you guys are, right? Very good. Anna. So we'll take 1000 as reference, sir. 1000. Now this number is more than 1000 or less than 1000. So it is less than 1000, sir, right? It is less than 1000. So if we have less than 1000, so I'll write Anna here. So what needs to be added to make it to the 1000? Sir, 11 needs to be added over here. And what about here? Sir, 6 need to be added over here. So subtract. So here we have to subtract, right? Subtract 6 from 989 or subtract 11 from this. So what we will get? Don't you think, sir, we will get 983? Hayana. 983? Tell me. Yes, agree? 983 into 1000 will give me 983000. Now, what is 11 into 6? 11 into 6 is, sir, 66. So it is what? 983066. Hi, Anna. Tell me. Hi, Anna. Tell me, guys. Yes or no? Easy hai? Tell me, easy hai? Yes or no? समझ में आ रहा है सबको अब? यहां तक समझ में आ गया? Raise your hand. If you got yes, Madhav, you can take 110, but again, think about it. Multiplying 8 with 100 is easy, or multiply 7 with 110, right? Which is easier? Which is easier? This is easy, na? This is easy, right? Na? That's why, okay, it is easy to multiply with 10, 100. Okay, wait, guys. It got hanged. My laptop got hanged. Yeah. Okay, chalo, clear? Everyone clear till this point? Okay. Yes. Leela, you can take 900 also, but again, it will be more difficult. No, it will be more difficult, right? What we want to do, we want to make our calculation easier, right? Wait, my laptop is hanging. I'll just close my video. Okay, I'll just close my video. Okay. Just give me a minute. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay, it's better now. Okay. So everyone is getting this. Everyone is getting this. Chalo, very good. Very good. Now my question is, sir, ठीक है. You solve these problems in which one was right. In which, tell me. Right now, what about this problem? Tell me, what about this problem? Everyone, think about it. What about this problem? Can I solve a problem like this? So 51 into question number 9. Can you solve 51 into 64? Hi, Anna. Tell me, yes or no? 51 into 64? Yes. Which number we have to take? Which number we have to take? See, you can take both, either 50 or 60. But you have to think now, which is easier to multiply, right? You can multiply something with 60 or with 50. It is easier to multiply with 50. Hi, Anna. Right? It is easier to multiply any number with 50 as compared to 60. Yes or no? Right? Madhav, the thing is, you have to make things easier, not difficult. Hai na? So I'll take reference as 50. So here it is add 1, right? In order to make this, and here it is 14. Hai na? So add. So what is 64 plus 1? 65. What is 51 plus 14? 65. So 65. I'll take 60 also. Don't worry. I'll take 60 also. But you will get to know what is the issue over here. Okay. Right? Right? See. I'll take you. I'll tell you. Right? 65. Now 65 into 50. Now multiplying 65 into 50 is easy. Right? So what is the answer? It is. Tell me. 65 into 50 is 3. Hai na? 3250. ठीक है 3250. And what is 1 into 14? 14. So it is what? 3264. Yes or no? Now, I'll take 60 as reference, right? For those who want to calculate using 60, I'll take 60 as a reference. No issues. 60. So it will become what? 51 and 64. Now, what is the issue here? the issue here, sir, this is less, right? So here we will do what? Minus 9. You have to add it over here. Hi, Anna. Tell me, you have to add because it is less than 60. And here it is plus 14. Sorry, plus 4, not plus 14, plus 4. Right? Plus 4. Because it is 4 more than 16. Yes or no? Right? Okay? Think about it. Now, either subtract 64. 64 minus 9 is equal to what? Sorry, tell me. Okay, and what is 51 plus 4? What is 51 plus 4? 55. So it is becoming what? 55. समझ में आ रहा है? Now, tell me, 55 into 60 is easy. Tell me, 55 into 60 is easy or 65 into 50 is easy? Tell me, which is easy? Think about it. Which is easy? 55 into 60 is easy, right? Or 50 into 65 is easy? Got it? समझ में आ रहा है? Why I am not taking 60? You can take 60, no issues. Answer would be same, right? 55 into 60. You will get what? Tell me. You will get what? Tell me. 330. है ना? 330. Yes or no? Right? And what is 9 into 4? And then one more 0. What is 9 into 4? 9 into 4 is 36. But it is minus 9 plus 4. It is minus 36. Minus 36. See? Right? है ना? Minus 36. So answer you would get same. Answer you will get same. But it is again comparatively difficult, na? Right? The method is true, right? Method can be true for any number. So how 3250 came? Guys, wait, my laptop is hanging. Just give me a minute. So think about it, na? Here, 65 into 50 is equal to how much? 65 into 50 is how much? So just take it half of, take half of 650, which is 325. And then 10. That's it. That's how it is. 65 into 5 is this. ठीक है? Got it? Got it? Okay? हाँ या ना? यहाँ तक समझ में आया? Anyone have any doubt till this point? Tell me. Anyone have any doubt till this point? Atiksh, again, right? We want to make things simpler, not complex, right? What is the point? What is the point in using reference if you have to multiply that much? See, we are multiplying very small numbers. Ayana, tell me, right? Think about it. My aim is because I can calculate, I can generally multiply by normal method. Why I am doing this? What's the method? What's the main motive behind this? To make it faster. As simple as that. To make it faster. Ayana, right? If I have to multiply again and again by bigger number, then it is pointless to use this method. That's why I'm not taking 100 in this. Okay, Tanvi, wait, 73 and 89, right? 73 and 89. Let's see. 73 into 89. 89. Now tell me, 73 into 89, which number we should take? Right? I can take anything. I can take anything. So let's take, right? In one case, I'll take 100. In one case, I'll take 90. In one case, I'll take 70. Right? And you decide which is easy. You decide which is easy. Okay? Right? You guys decide which is easy. Now, if I'm taking 100, it is what? Less. Both are less. So it is what? Tell me. 27. And it is what? Tell me. 11. Okay? Now, 73 minus 11 is equal to what? 62. And 89 minus 27 is 62. 62 into 100 is 6200. Now, what is 27 into 11? Now, when you talk about 27 into 11, it is, tell me, just multiply this by 10 first. So 270. And just write 27. Right? This is the shortcut of multiplying with 11. So 7, 9, 4, 6. Hi, Anna. Tell me. Right? 6497. Right? If I'm taking 100 as reference, okay. Now let's take 80. Okay, let's take 80. Right? Let's now I'll take 80. Okay, let's take 80 as reference. 80. Now it is 73 into 89. Now 73 is less. 73 is less. So I'll write here what? What should be added to 73 to make 80? So it is minus 7 over here, and here it is 9. 9. Right? So 89, my 89, and here we have to subtract now. Minus 7 is equal to what? 89 minus 7 is 82. And 79 plus 9, 73 plus 9 is 82. 82. Now, here you have to multiply 82 with 80. Right? Here you have to multiply 82 with 80. Okay? That is a difficulty, right? You have to multiply 82 with 80. Zayan, that is the shortcut for 11, right? Whenever we talk about 11, I'll tell you, right? It is multiplication by 11. It is 27 into 11, 27 into 11. So 27 into 11 is 270 plus 27. Okay? It is a shortcut of multiplication of 11. So 82 into 80 is difficult, right? We can do it, no issues. So it will be what? 0, 6, 6, 5, right? I can do it, right? But it is difficult. Now, 7 into 9 is what? Minus 7 into plus 9 is minus. Yeah, you can take 70 also. You can take 70 also. No issues. Okay? But it will not be easy. It will be difficult. It will be more difficult. It will be more difficult. Okay? समझ में आया? So it is what? Now, 7, 9, 4, 6. Now tell me, which is easier? This is easy or this is easy? Tell me. You decide. First one is easy or second one is easy? Tell me. You decide. This taking reference as 100 is easy or taking reference as 80 is easy? 100 is certainly easy, na? है कि नहीं? Okay. Now, yes, very good. But there's a limitation. What is the limitation, guys? Limitation is, right? Limitation is, sir, when we are talking about this limitation is, these numbers are almost having same decimal places. Sorry, same hundreds or 10 hundreds places, right? They're not very different. For example, if I'm asking you to solve this, 25 into 89, I cannot use that method. That will be difficult. Hi, Anna, tell me, yes or no? Think about it. Right? Sir, it will be difficult, sir. It will be difficult. Anna, I cannot use that method because again, which number to take reference? Which number to take reference? Right? Leela, I can take 70, 70 and 80 would give the same result, right? Okay. 70 and 80 will give you the same result. Okay. Now, here the answer lies in, right? The answer lies in here, instead of taking one reference number, I will take two reference number. Okay. Yes, I'll tell you, Karthik. So ये समझ में आ गया ना? इसके ऊपर वाले साइज सब कुछ समझ में आ गया? These all concepts we studied, right? I'm just studying multiplication for today. Now this concept, right? This concept. In this, we have two different numbers, sir. So let's take one easy one easy number first, right? For understanding in a better way, let's take one easy number. Okay, right? Let's take one easy number. So simpler one number. No, 100, Bindu, if you take 100, see how difficult it would be. So let's take this number, 8 into 37. 8 into 37, right? Now think about it. For 8, which number I have to take? For 8, which number I can take? For 8, which number I can take? No, Rachna? Think about it now. Which is the nearest multiple of 10? Which is the nearest multiple of 10 for 8? So it is 10. Yes or no? But what about 37? What about 37? Sir, for 37 it is 40. For 37 it is 40. Ayana. 37 it is 40. Right? Please focus here. Please focus here. Right? This is a very important concept. So I can say, sir, here instead of taking one reference, I'm taking how many reference? 2 reference. Yes or no? Right? I'm taking 2 reference. Okay, clear? यहाँ तो समझ में आ रहा है? Madhava, Krishna, Dikshit, anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me, anyone have any doubt in this? Yes or no? Raise your hand. Wait, my laptop got hanged. Okay, so I guess this is clear. I know this is clear. Okay, right? Pratik, Krishna. Wait, Tanvi, wait, Tanvi. Right? I'll explain. Don't worry. ठीक है, पहले इस पे ध्यान दो. Okay. If you get any doubt, you can ask me later. No issues. ठीक है, पहले इस पे ध्यान दे दो अभी, है ना? ठीक है. So let us see over here. 8 is less than 10. 8 is less than 10. है ना? By how much? Sir, I can say it is 2. 2. And 37 is less than 40. I'm taking 2 numbers as reference. By how much? Sir, it is 3. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Same method. But instead of taking 1 reference, I'm taking 2 reference. Clear, everyone? This is clear? Yes or no? Tell me. Okay? Okay, very good. Now, what you have to do is, there's one additional step. That additional step is, now, see, 40 can be written as 10 into 4. Yes or no? Yes or no? 40 can be written as 10 into 4. Right? Right, everyone? So multiply this 2 with this 4. Multiply this 2 with this 4. I'll get what? Sir, I'll get minus 8. Ayana. Ayana. Think about it. Think about it. Okay? Clear? Right? Anna? Yes or no? Okay. What is 37 minus 8? What is 37 minus 8, guys? What is 37 minus 8? Tell me. What is 37 minus 8? Same thing that we did in previous examples. What is 37 minus 8? 37 minus 8. So I multiplied this with this 4. And instead of this, I'm writing this. 37 minus 8 is 29. Ayana. Yes or no? Okay? Anna. And 29 into 10 is equal to what? 29 into 10 is equal to what? Tell me. 29 into 10 is equal to what? So it is 290. 290. Right? समझ में आया यहाँ तक समझ में आया. This is again, right? You have to think. It is not as easy, right? But if you understood this, then it will be easy. है ना? Right? So यहाँ पे एक चीज ध्यान दो. If you are thinking about it, right? I'm taking what? I'm taking this unit place wala, this 10 के reference wala number, and Second digit, I'm taking this 40 wala. है ना? So here I'm multiplying with 10. Right? Now, what is 2 into 3? What is minus 2 into minus 3? Tell me, what is minus 2 into minus 3? What is minus 2 into minus 3? So it is 6. This 2 into 3 is 6. So if you add them, what is the answer? Since it is the first question, it will take time. Otherwise, it will be easy. है ना? 296. Yes or no? Since it is the first question, it is taking time, right? But after 2-3 questions, it will also become easy. है ना? So it is minus 2 into minus 3, na? Right? Okay, let's take one more problem. One more problem, right? For you guys, I'll just take one more problem. Okay? Wait, Ganashri, I'll explain one more problem. Let's take this 96 into 289. I'll take this problem. Okay? Samjho, step by step, सबको ध्यान दो. Everyone, step by step. I will write step by step. Please pay attention, right? Do not write, do not message. Okay? Just focus here and write in your notebook, step by step. Okay? Step 1. What is the reference of 96? What is the reference of 96? Tell me, what can be the reference of 96? Step by step. What is the reference of 96? 100. Yes or no? Yes or no? Step by step. Ganashri, try to understand step by step. And what is the reference of 289? What can be the reference of 289? Tell me guys, message. Now you can message. Reference of 289 is, so reference of this is, yes Ganeshji, very good, 300. So in order to get 300 as a reference, right? In order to get 300 as a reference, right? Wait guys, my OneNote got hanged. Yeah. So this is need to multiply by 3, yes or no? So 100 is a reference of 96, 100, this 100 is a reference of 96, and 300 is a reference of 289. Ye clear? I'm using two reference method. So this is clear. Tell me, this is clear. 100 for 96, 300 for 289. Hi Anna. Yes or no? Right? Okay. So 96, right, is less than 4. Anna, as compared to 100, right? So I can say it is minus 4. Minus 4. Wait. My laptop is very annoying now. Okay, just give me a minute. Yeah, minus 4, right? And 289 is less than 300 by how much? 289 is less than 300 by how much? Step by step. Everyone, try to understand step by step. 11, minus 11, very good. So यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Everyone is getting till this point? Yes or no? यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आया? I guess till this point everyone understood. है ना? Till this point everyone understood. We will make the concepts layer by layer, foundation by foundation, right? Okay, very good. So what is the next step, sir? Since we have two reference, I need to multiply this 4, है ना? I need to multiply this 4 with this 3. What I'll get? Tell me what I'll get. Tell me what I'll get. Sir, 12, sir. Yes or no? Hi, Anna. Step by step. Dhanashri, you are getting? Right? Very good, Bindu. Sandhya? Karthik? Okay. Now, what is 289? What is 289 minus 12? What is 289 minus 12? 289 minus 12 is equal to what? Tell me. 289 minus 12 is equal to what? Very good. Yes. 277. Very good, everyone. Very good. 277. Anna, 277. Very good. And multiply 277 with the first number reference. इसका difference, multiply this with 100, first का difference, है ना? So it will become what? 27700, right? What is 4 into minus 11? What is 4 into minus 11? What is 4 into minus 11? Tell me. Step by step, step by step. Sir, it is 44 plus 44. 44. Very good. Minus minus plus ho gaya na Ganashri? Minus minus will become plus, right? So if you add, we will get what? 27744. Hi Anna. Tell me. Hi Anna. Now think about it. Don't you think that, sir, this is faster actually? This is actually fast, right? Even if you calculate by using normal method, it would have taken more time. Yes or no? Right? And if you are very acquainted with this, it will become much faster, much faster. This is just a second problem. Okay, right? So shall we do one more problem? Shall we do one more problem? Just 15 minutes more, right? 15 minutes more. Okay. We will learn only one concept, but we will make sure that every concept is good. Okay. After this, I'll share some problems. Okay. And this notes also. Just give me a minute. My laptop got hanged. I don't know why. Okay. See, this my laptop got hanged till death. Just give me a minute. Apologies everyone. Yeah, it is fine now. Okay, chalo. Let's solve one last problem, guys. Ready? Ready to solve one last problem? Right? Let's solve this. 98 into 168. Tell me. Solve this, everyone. Everyone try to solve this. 98 into 168. अपने से एक बार करो. एक बार अपने से try करो. Try by yourself. Try this problem by yourself without using calculator, by the speed calculation, by taking the reference. Take this number, right? Solve this one. Okay, solve this one, guys. Solve this one. Think about it, guys, step by step. Step by step. For 98, what is the reference, sir? For 98, it is 100. Step by step, take it out. For 168, what would be the reference? Tell me, for 168, what would be the reference? Sir, 200, sir. So into 2. Into 2. Step by step. धीरे धीरे एकदम प्यार से धीरे धीरे करेंगे. Right? Because this is learning phase, है ना? Learning phase. So 98 is less than 100 by how much? Sir, 2, sir. And 168 is less than 200 by how much? Sir, 32, sir. 32. Yes or no? Right? Okay. Right? So 2 into 2, sir, minus 4 over here. है ना? So subtract minus 4 with 164. I will get what? Sir, 164. 164 into 100. What is 164 into 100? Sir, 164 into 100 is 16400. Right? Then multiply these two. What is 2 into 32? Sir, it is 64, sir. Right? So what is the answer? Sir, 16464. That is the answer. Clear? Everyone clear? Everyone is clear in this? Chalo? Yes or no? Hi, Anna. Right, Shreya, very good. Tanvi, समझ में आ गया Tanvi हर चीज? Right? Everyone is getting this? I'll send the notes. Don't worry. I'll send the notes. I'll send the recordings also. Okay, I'll send everything. Right? please make sure that you get it. Okay, if you don't get it, I'll explain again. So everyone got till this point? Yes or no? Tell me. After completion of this, I'll send one book also, right? And you can refer that book also. Okay, right? Very good, everyone. Very good. Rachna, Tanvi, Prateek, Shreya, very good. Okay, very good. Those who didn't get it, no issues. You can ask me, message me, right? I'll explain once again. What I'll do is I'll make a notes, right? This notes and I'll send. But you have to practice. I'll give some easier problems also for practice. Okay. Now before that, today's 20th, right? I'll unmute you guys, but I'll ask some people. Please don't start talking. Okay, don't start speaking at the same time because my laptop will be hanged.